Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start in your Roblox account, open the avatar editor so you can change colors directly. Once logged in, navigate to avatar from the side menu, then select body or the specific accessory slot you want to recolor. Make sure you have the item equipped or available in your inventory. If not, get it first. You're doing this because changing the avatar color applies instantly and shows across games, so prepping the correct slot saves time. Now pick the body part or item to edit. Once the target item or body part is open, use the color picker or skin tone selector to pick your new hue. Slide the hue, saturation, and brightness controls for precise results, or choose a preset if you want a quick match. Make sure to preview the avatar model so you see how lighting affects the color across limbs and accessories. When satisfied, click Equip or Save to commit the change. This ensures the chosen color is stored and used the next time you join a game. After saving, test your new look by entering a game or a preview window to confirm the color displays as expected. If it doesn't update, reopen Avatar, unequip and then re-equip the item, or log out and back in. Clearing app cache can fix stale visuals. Also check account settings for any avatar restrictions or age-limited features that block color changes. If problems persist, try a different device to isolate whether it's a client issue versus an account or item limitation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.